Hey, it's Mike with the 61 Beetle. I thought I'd make a little short video on a little thing that I got from the Kaferlab, and I'm excited about this. Sometimes it's just the little things that make it fun to assemble, especially on a little Beetle like this. So what I got, and let me get a little more light on this. What I got is, let's see, this little part here. So what happens is when you're in here in the Beetle, you press on this, sometimes it seems like it will pop open, sometimes it gets stuck. Right now it's popping open, but that's because I had already loosened this, but it hadn't, it didn't pop open automatically after a while, and I was getting annoyed by that, so I thought I would just show this little guy that you can get from Kaferlab is this little finger pull. So what I'm doing is I'm just pulling off my button here by unscrewing this guy, and I have a little, well, I don't have like an actual tool for this, but it seems to work if you have like a little mini pliers. You separate them enough, and you can. So let's see if I can actually get this thing out. So I pull this guy out, and then what I'm going to do is, you want your finger pull to go like this, and then your button, which it has a flat side, so you just set this on here like that, and hopefully this will slide right on. A little bit of a tight fit right here, if you look at that. All right, well, sometimes you just got to do what you got to do, and what I did is I took this little guy here and I put it inside of a socket, and I set it like this, and then I took a wrench that was approximately, that would fit around this but not impede it, and I just tapped this until that went over the threads. And I don't think I damaged anything, but it was just a very tight fit. But I kind of wanted it to be a tight fit, so I didn't Dremel it out or anything like that, because I didn't want this to be loose in any way. So now what I have here is still this guy here that goes, that screws it into the glove box. So I'm going to one thing is it'll keep it from going in quite as far, because I've got a 2 millimeters here that are where the button will be further out, which means this hook won't go as far in on the thing. So I might have to bend it a little bit, and let's just see how this works. Okay, that is tight. All right, so that's the end result. Lets you just pull it. So, you kind of have to push it a little bit to get that to close. Again, there's another couple millimeters of this pulled out. And this thing, I can also pull this thing a little bit so that it hooks sooner. But overall, that seems to work fine. All right, Kaferlab pull tab.